In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a campaign on Google Ads. Whether you're cleaning up old campaigns or reorganizing your account, deleting unnecessary campaigns can help streamline your ad management. So let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Google Ads account. Simply head over to the Google Ads website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Google Ads dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is where you'll manage all your campaigns and ads going forward. Next, let's navigate to the Campaigns section. You'll find this option in the page menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on Campaigns will display a list of all your active and inactive campaigns. This is your central hub for managing each of your campaign settings, monitoring performance, and of course, deleting them. Now it's time to select the specific campaign you want to delete. As you scan the list of campaigns, you'll see checkboxes next to each campaign name. Simply click on the checkbox next to the campaign you wish to remove. This tells Google Ads that you're ready to make some changes. Remember that if you have multiple campaigns to delete, you can select more than one at this step. Once you've selected the campaign, an Edit drop-down menu will appear at the top of the campaign table. Click on this drop-down and you'll see several options displayed. From this list, select Remove. It's essential to understand that selecting Remove will not immediately delete your campaign. Instead, it triggers the next step where you actually confirm deletion. At this point, a confirmation prompt pops up asking if you're sure you want to permanently remove the selected campaign. This is a crucial step, as deleting a campaign is irreversible. Make sure you're deleting the right one and that you no longer need it to run. Once you're certain, go ahead and click Confirm to finalize the process. With that, your campaign is marked as removed. However, it's important to note that the campaign isn't entirely gone. If you wish to view it later, you can adjust your campaign filters to include all campaigns, allowing you to see those marked as removed. This can be useful in case you need to double check what was deleted or if you're auditing your campaign history. And there you have it, a straightforward way to delete a campaign on Google Ads. By keeping your campaigns organized and removing those you no longer need, you ensure a smoother, more efficient ad management experience. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.